This is my Mini John Cooper Works that I completely rebuilt and swapped the engine on. And I'm about to take it on the biggest challenge so far to see if I've rebuilt this right. Yeah, that's right. We're going on a road trip. And I can't wait. But the car didn't always look like this. When I first picked it up, it was completely smashed and it was hiding a very nasty engine issue. But we bit the bullet and we swapped an engine with no experience whatsoever. God, yes! Yes! And that leaves us here with a fully rebuilt car ready to be tested on some lovely UK roads. But where are we going? We're going on a 1,000 mile round trip up north, not on my own. We're bringing Georgia. And in about 3 hours, we'll be at our first stop of the trip. On our journey up north, we're going to be driving some unreal roads to test this car out. But this next stop is probably quite important because we need to see what the real rating of this car is. I don't know what it is, but whenever me and Georgia go on a road trip, we always end up at the most rogue-ass services ever. Like, what is this? Just in the middle of nowhere. Also, we've had our first casualty. This under tray has decided to leave the bolt, so we're cable tying it when we get to our destination. This is my nan, and we're going to get an official rating of what she thinks of my rebuilt JCW. The one in the middle. What do you think of the exhaust? You reckon rating out of 10?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. There we go. The only reason we come here to get the rating of it.
Yeah, 11 out of 10. It's absolutely fantastic.
Now we've got the official rating. We need to sort out this trim, and I think I'll be able to just bolt it straight back into the clip because it's still there. Yeah, it was literally a case of just pushing it into position and doing the screw up again. It must have just come loose. I must have not tightened it properly. So after a few lovely days in Durham with some family, we're back in the car on the second leg of the trip, heading up further north. And this is hopefully where we're going to be driving some lovely roads where this car is really going to prove itself. So on our way up north, we've had a little detour to this place that we've been told about, and we were hoping that we were going to be able to cross, but I don't know. You tell me if we can cross that safely.
That's a road.
But, yeah. Apparently you have to look out for the tide times and go across, but apparently it gets quite deep. Apparently a lot of people cross it without checking. Apparently people who are foreign, I suppose, who can't read the signs, they go across and it dips down. You get caught by the tide, like, without knowing, because it's quite far. It's the island's all the way in the distance over there. I don't know, I reckon we can get through it. I bet it's only light water.
Go on, I think we'll make that.
No chance. made it to sunny Scotland. We've successfully made it to our next stop of Edinburgh. That's enough driving for today, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's go and do something different. Anyway, cheers to making it. Some skill. I think you got more than 14 needed, Jesus. So after last night's antics, I can clearly say both of us are pretty bad at these games, but I think I won, didn't I?
Yeah, definitely. By a mile.
But we're back in the car and we're looking for some nice roads, some nice places to pull up and eat a pan of chocolate with a view. So let's go find some.
Absolute scenes. Oh God. It's not quite the Mediterranean. Trying to get the drone up and
It's struggling to stay still.
I don't even think they'll hear it.
Just agreed to let Georgia drive the car. I don't know if that was a good idea. No damage can be done here. I'll tell you what, it does look good. I think it's safe to say we've drove some nice roads today, innit? So let's go get a pint and do some touristy crap. Touristy crap starts with this, some castle with a duck we won last night. So our time in Edinburgh has come to an end, but now we're not heading up any further north. We're cutting across and we're going to start making our descent back down. But for the time being, driving some lovely roads with some lovely views.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you?
After driving some stunning roads for miles and a few miles on the motorway, we arrived at our final destination of the trip.
Guys, welcome to Ambleside. The views are gorgeous, the food's gorgeous.
But I think we bring the average age down. This is where we're ending the video, here at the edge of Lake Windermere in Ambleside. And what a trip it's been, would you agree, Georgia?
Absolutely.
The car has been perfect, apart from that one mishap on the way up here, but you've got to expect some niggles. But all we've got now is the boring journey back, a long trip down the M6, which we're not going to bore you with. But thank you for watching this whole series, and I hope you've enjoyed this road trip video. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who supported me and helped me through this build. You know who you are, and you've supported me massively. So thank you. Stay tuned, because we've got some content coming on the R56 track car, and hopefully soon we'll have a new project for the channel. So I'll catch you in the next one.